Hello everyone, in this video you are going to learn how we can sort data of a Pandas data frame or series. Firstly, in Pandas there's a method called sort underscore values. So using this method we can sort a data frame or series by one or more columns. It arranges the data in ascending or descending order based on the specified columns. So, in this example, we can go ahead and say dataset dot sort underscore values, and let me go ahead and show you the data frame firstly, then we can sort it. Okay, we got some unordered value. Firstly, we have 39,000 and after that 46,000 and again a value less than 39,000. So we need to sort this by this salary column. In order to do that, let me just keep the head only. We can call this sort underscore values and provide the column. We can specify by and we can provide the column name we want to take. In this case, we can take salary. Of course, we don't have to provide this by keyword because the first argument is for the column name. Now, if we run this, here each rows are sorted. Firstly, we have the 37,000 and 39 and 43,000 and so on. Okay. Now, if you go ahead and check the data frame again, you will see the extract data frame is not changed. For example, if we run dataset again or df, here again values are unordered. In order to change the actual data frame, we have to provide the argument called in place as true. After doing this, it will change the data frame completely. Now if we check it again here, those rows are now in order. Okay. Now let's say we want to set this ascending as false. That means we need rows in descending format. So in order to do that, we can provide another argument called ascending as false. Once we provide this argument, it will give us a descending order data frame like this. We got firstly its largest one and a small one in the last. Okay, I hope this video helps. If this video helps, please subscribe. Thank you.